Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Harmony One coin. The price line of Harmony One coin has broken out the resistance of another symmetrical triangle on the 4-hourly time frame chart. And even though this is a small time frame, but after this breakout, the price line can set a new all-time high. And I'm not talking about that all-time high, that spike on KuCoin that was up to $2.38. I'm talking about a proper rally, and it can be really very powerful move. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all I would like to share with you my previous analysis that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 26th of September, when the price line of Harmony token broke out the resistance of a broadening wedge, and after breaking out the resistance, the price line was retesting the previous resistance as a support, and this was a very strong support line that was at 14.5 cents. Therefore, I told my members that we can use this level, or we can set our stop loss below this level, and our target, as per the target of this broadening formation, can be up to 20 cents. And at that time it was moving at 16 cents. And I'm just playing the chart, and you can see that the price line tested this support zone here but could not break it down, and rallied up to 26.6 cents. And right now the price line is again having a correction move, and it is moving sideways. But during this sideways move, the price line formed this another symmetrical triangle on the 4-hourly time frame again. And this chart was, by the way, also on the 4-hourly time frame. And right now, a few hours back, the price line has broken out the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. Now our next target can be, we can set two targets here. Like, one can be this resistance approximately at 26.5 cents, and as per the target of the symmetrical triangle, our next and final target can be here. If I place it at the breakout point, then our next target will be approximately here at 29.6 cents. That will be approximately 30 cents. That will be a new all-time high. But I'm expecting a bigger move, because if we switch to the daily time frame, then you can see that the price line moved here, and even this symmetrical triangle is also visible on the daily time frame and broke out this resistance. So once we will be above the level of all-time high, then obviously we are also going to break out the final resistance as well. And after breaking out the final resistance, the price line can start a very big bull run. Like, if I place this trend line here at the previous all-time high here, then you can see that the price line was testing this level approximately from 22.7 cents to here, approximately at 21.5 cents. And after testing this zone, the price line has finally broken out this zone and also this symmetrical triangle for a really very big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.